Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we are working on this Mazda 2.2 diesel. We have the engine management light on. It does turn on and off here and there. It goes into probably power loss as well at times, not all the time. We have this P0102 mass or volume airflow sensor. It has triggered all these others as well, intake, and it has also triggered this other code as well, as you can see. Now, there's a few things we can do to eliminate this fault. It's different for everyone. It's not going to be the same, but there's ways of eliminating it. I would personally start off with just opening this, cleaning. This is where the mass sensor is. Clean this with electrical spray. Clean it, put it back, reset it if you've got a diagnostic machine. If not, it would be best to do a diagnostic machine and reset the values of the mass sensor as well, if you can, and drive it. If that eliminates it, happy days, you're sorted. If not, I would recommend, this is if you have the tools. If not, then I guess there's a trial and error. You can buy this, which however you feel. Make sure it's OEM. This is the part number. I don't know if you can gather from that. Buy an original OEM, not aftermarket, because aftermarket will trigger it and it's just going to lose power. It's not good. So my advice would be buy original, or the other alternative would be to do a smoke test. See if there is any leakage within the air system from there into the engine, to the manifolds, into the intercooler pipes. Now I can see already on the intercooler pipe there is a heavy oil leak there. I don't know if you guys can see it as well. But it's a case of trial and error. Smoke test, if anywhere leaks, obviously we change it. You know, you'll not think twice, change it, move on. If the smoke test doesn't pass, then obviously it'd be this. So either way, that or that's how you would kind of eliminate it. There is other ways, but from experience and knowledge, that's what you would do. But yeah, I'll leave it to you guys. Like I said, this is a DIY. I'll do it myself. I won't think twice. It's just this sensor. You don't need to change the whole box, just the sensor itself.